Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the file open and the exact sheet selected. This saves time and prevents mistakes. First, scan headers to know which columns matter and select a contiguous range if you will limit search scope. If you plan to use formulas later, create a helper column now. It keeps results separate. Once done, decide whether you need a simple find, a filter, or a formula-driven match so you pick the correct next tool. You can use Find Ctrl+F to jump to single cells fast, enable match case or whole cell to refine results. For row-level narrowing, apply a filter on headers and choose Contains, Starts with, or Custom Conditions. This shows only relevant rows. If you need extracted or computed results, build formulas. VLOOKUP for simple lookups, index/match for flexible pulls, or filter/query for powerful multi-criteria extraction. Make sure ranges are locked with $ where needed so formulas stay accurate. You finish by refining outputs. Apply trim or value to normalize text and number so matches succeed, and use wildcards or rejects when patterns vary. Once results look correct, extract them to a new sheet or copy formulas as values if you need a static report. If things go wrong, first check data types and hidden rows or filters. These are common blockers. Finally, make a short note explaining your logic so you or someone else can reproduce the search later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.